Okay, sixth grade, welcome to quarter one, week number 5. I'm here in our Google Classroom page on the stream, and as you can see, you have the assignments page for September 14th through the 18th. That's Monday through Friday. Assignments page is right here, and next to it, I'll put the preview video once I'm done making it. So if you open that assignments page, it's going to look like this. Has today's or this week's dates and your assignment for each day of the week. Okay, so we're going to finish up chapter 2 on GCF and LCM. I have the reminder there in blue each day of the week to submit the attendance. For Monday, you're going to watch the preview video, which you are currently doing, and you're going to submit chapter 2 review number 1. So on the classwork page, this is the stream, this is the classwork. Under Monday, September 14th, math attendance. Now for the attendance question, I want to point out one thing. It says here, I have read the math assignments for today and understand what is expected of me. I understand that I will receive a 0 if I do not complete my assignments on time. Okay, just understand that. If you don't do your assignments, you're going to get a 0. I don't want you to get a 0. You don't want a 0. So please do your assignments. They're available at Monday at 8 a.m. They are due by Friday at 3 p.m. By my calculation, that is 103 hours. You have 103 hours to do your assignments for this week. So please get them done. Under Monday, you have the assignments page. It's the exact same thing posted on the stream. I just want you to look at it on Monday, the first day of the week. That way you know what is expected of you for the entire week. Assignments page, next to it, I'll put the preview video. So your assignment for Monday is chapter 2 review number 1. The directions say to watch the chapter 2 review number 1 video. That would be right here, and submit the Google form. Okay, try to get them all correct. If you miss some in the form, click edit response and fix the ones that you missed so that you get them all correct. If you have any questions, email me with some questions for further clarification. Okay, for Tuesday, September 15th, we're still working on GCF LCM chapter 2 review number 2 Google form. You'll watch chapter 2 review number 2 video and submit the form. Again, try to get them all correct. If you don't, click edit response and fix the ones that you missed. Your other thing for Tuesday is Edpuzzle 3.1 rational numbers video. So under Tuesday, you have the course attendance, chapter 2 review number 2. There's the video, there's the form. And here's the Edpuzzle video. You click on Edpuzzle, it says watch entire video in all caps. So please watch the entire video. That way it'll tell me that you have turned it in. Until you watch 100% of the video, you will not get credit for the assignment. Okay, that brings us to Wednesday, September 16th. On the assignments page, of course, submit attendance, and we have our chapter 2 test on GCF and LCM. So submit that test form and then do interactive student edition 3.1. Okay, so attendance, chapter 2 test. Here's the test right here. Submit that form. And then ISC 3.1. So here's the Holt McDougall online icon. You can click on there. It goes to my.hrw.com, and you'll enter your username and your password. Again, this is the same username and password that you use for Mrs. Stearns in social studies. So Thursday, we'll begin chapter 3. Right, we finished chapter 1, finished chapter 2. Now we're moving to chapter 3 on classifying rational numbers. And the first thing you're going to do for Thursday is rationals number 1, and this is what is called a Google Jam. So you have been doing Google Forms. Now I'm going to introduce you guys to a Google Jam. And so it's going to look like this. Okay. Inside the Jam, there are what we call frames. And as you can see, there are 4 frames here. Over here on the left, you have your toolbar. And right now, this mouse, I am on the selector. Okay, and that's what you want to be on so that you can do what these directions say and click and drag these numbers into the correct space. And in the rationals number 1 video, I'll explain more on what to do. But the very last frame tells you how to turn this assignment in. What it says here is when you are finished, follow these 2 steps. Step 1, when finished with all the problems, do not click the blue share button in the top right here. Don't click that, okay? Instead, go back to Google Classroom tab and click on View Assignment. And from there, you'll click this Turn In button, and that's how you'll turn it in. Okay, so if you're on the classwork page, under Thursday, rationals number 1, right here, your button will say View Assignment. That's the button you will click, and it will take you to this screen right here, where in the top right, you'll have a Turn In button. Okay, of course, don't turn it in until you've actually done the Google Jam, then turn it in. So that's Thursday. Lesson 3.1, Rationals number 1, Google Jam. Like it says, watch the video and then do the jam and turn it in. Friday, of course, you have attendance, and then Rationals number 2, where you're going to watch Rationals number 2 video and submit the Google form. Okay, and that's it for this week. This is all last week's material. So at the very bottom of the assignments page, of course, I have the reminder for what all is due. All of these 5 assignments are what you're turning into me. Basically, 1 assignment per day, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. They're all available Monday at 8 a.m. They're due by Friday at 3 p.m. Again, you have 103 hours to get that done. I have a note over here, MobyMax Fact Fluency. Please be utilizing that to practice your multiplication and division facts because those need to be mastered. Okay. Good luck this week in quarter 1, week number 5. If you have any questions, let me know. But turn your assignments in on time.